Your question is, why is my house not selling? Oy. I think everybody knows the number one reason is price. Price. But the problem is we naturally have this, we err on the side of caution of, well, the belief we can come down but we can't go up. Well, that's actually wrong, because you could. The difference is, gone are the days where if the market is tough, you need to adjust your price. If you are too scared to drop your price to what your advice is from your agent, then you might need to adjust it until you find a take-up. The danger with this, of course, is that take-up might only come when you're under a price that you would have got in the beginning. Because right in the beginning, when a property is on the market, there are buyers ready and waiting for your property. And if you're pricing too high, those buyers that are ready, waiting, willing and able will just bypass your property, move on and buy something else. And there your property will sit. And also you will be used as a springboard. Your property will be viewed by buyers, but only to prove that the correctly priced property is correctly priced by showing an overpriced property. So be careful of overpricing. The second reason is, if you're not presenting your home properly, of course nobody wants to buy a mess. Everybody's buying a dream. Everybody's buying how they believe they can live, even if we don't live like that. None of us live in a magazine home. But we do like to walk into a property and buy what we believe we ultimately would like to live in. And thirdly, of course, is if you are making it difficult for the agent to get in. There's a fine line between making it next to impossible for the agent to get in, and of course, if you are limiting the time frames or limiting the days. We don't choose the days buyers come and view properties. Buyers are there. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, Saturdays. So please, do not limit your chances and cut your agent off by the kneecaps before she's even showed your property. My number one recommendation would be, call an agent in that does a proper valuation. Listen to your agent. A lower price does not necessarily mean it's an easier sale for the agent. Number two, present your home in a neat, tidy fashion. And number three, make it accessible for the agent to show your property. Happy selling.